Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Velvet Lounge. Today I'm going to be making my healthy protein shake. I tried a few different protein shakes and did not like any of them. One of them was muscle milk, and I tried it in a few different flavors. The banana cream isn't bad as long as it's super cold. But at the end of the day, way, and did I say way too sweet for me? And at the end, it has like this grittiness, which is probably from the stevia they use to sweeten it, which is supposedly a natural sweetener. That didn't work. It worked maybe for a couple days, and then I was just over it. And then I also tried Vega, and it's just way too chalky. It has this chalky aftertaste. I can't get over it myself personally, but it is 100% natural, which is why I tried it, plus it's vegan based, which I liked as well. But once again, it's something that I could only take a few sips of, and I tried to finish, a single serving bottle, and it just wasn't working. So I found by referral ISOPure, which is a protein powder which is made mainly from whey, and it also has soy protein in it as well. It has no flavor, which I love. Big letters, unflavored. This big canister is 47 servings. I think it cost about $44 and some change plus tax or whatever. It has no sweeteners, so it's very, very plain, which is what I needed. I needed something that really had no flavor, no sugars. It's 100% natural. It has, as you can see, 100 calories per scoop. And it only has 10% of your daily sodium. And it has, one scoop has 50% of your daily protein need. So if you have 2 of these in a day, you met your protein need 100%. And it also has 0 carbohydrates, 3% cholesterol, 0% fat. And it only has 2 grams of calcium. So if you're someone who needs a calcium protein, you do not rely on this for calcium. And as it says, it contains soy and milk. And you can see the whey protein isolate and soy lithium that's in it. That's really what makes, this a good product. I was just reading the letters down below. A good product for your protein intake. It's super easy to mix in, whether it's with a hot beverage. You do have to stir it occasionally as you're drinking it, or as I'm going to do it in a protein shake. So I'm going to use my Ninja Professional here to mix everything up. The other thing I hate are vitamins. So it's not that I hate vitamins, I just don't like taking anything. So chewing on a vitamin is a pain for me, just because I hate the flavor, and I actually use Flintstones chewables. So yes, I'm like a child. And I will actually throw that right into my protein shake and have it blended in. Now when you make these shakes, this is my version, my recipe, you can make it savory or sweet. So if you make it savory, one of the things that I suggest is to get a healthy fat in there. Use some avocado. You can put this into a sweet shake as well. It makes it creamier. I would put like 2 to 3 pieces in there, maybe 4. You could test out what you like as far as creaminess. And the other thing for this is you definitely need a juice or water. You can use water if you want to. I like using a juice just because it adds more flavor. It makes it fruitier, because you need to have that liquid to help break down the frozen fruit. The frozen fruit I'm using today is Dole's fruit mix, And it has pineapple, mango, strawberry, peaches, and grapes in it. Of course, they sell different combinations. You can use any fruit combo that you want, but you do want it to be frozen. And I'm just trying to open this bottle with one hand here. And I'm going to pour some of the juice into my cup. And that's probably about 1/4 cup is all you need. And if you need more, you just add it. And it's easier to add than to subtract, so don't add too much. And then I'm going to add just 1 scoop of this ISOPure. And yes, my vitamin is still in there. So just add 1 complete level scoop. Just dump it right in. And then, Days, can you come hold this for a moment? I'm going to add my frozen fruit. That I definitely need 2 hands for. And some people are picky. When it comes to frozen fruit, I'm okay just throwing in any of the chunks in combination. And you do have to keep enough room for your blades to get down in there. So if the fruit is a little bit looser, that's better. Just make sure there's enough. I think so. Did I miss anything? Nope. Let's see, now I have to try to get this lid on. If you've ever used a Nutra blender or a Nutra, any of these machines, you know that you want to make sure that these lids are on tight. Make sure I wasn't doing it backwards. Is there too much fruit in there? I don't think so. Oh, there it goes. So there you go. It's going to get loud for a moment. In this machine, all you do is press down. And then what I do is I shake it down after just, you can see that was what, 30 seconds. And I just want to see if I need any more. I like mine a little bit runnier. See, like this, some people would love it like this. You could eat it with a spoon or sip it through a straw. But I actually want mine a little bit runnier. So I'll add a little more juice. And you can put this in the freezer. Just want to make sure everything's mixed in. It looks like strawberry ice cream almost. And see, that's how I like mine. That's a good thickness. And I'm making a big mess. So let me just clean that up. The cool thing about this, and this is not a sponsored video. I have 0 sponsored videos. The thing I like about this is it comes with its own lid. And it also has this for the lip, and it has a catch so that you could like throw it in your bag and not have a big mess in there. So that's it. That's my favorite protein shake. One of the other things that I do is to make a variation of this is if you want it a little bit more tart, all you have to do is add 2 heaping tablespoons of yogurt, or if you dare, you can also add cottage cheese. The cottage cheese, you have to be careful you don't over whip it because you're not trying to create cheese. But it will add a little bit of tartness. Obviously, that's adding a little bit more calcium. And, you know, maybe a little bit more of an ice cream flavor, especially with the yogurt. It's a little more like a frozen yogurt. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add like a couple tablespoons of honey or agave if you like that. And as I stated before, don't forget your avocados, very healthy fat. So far, so good, and our health is wealthier. We will have to do some before and after photos eventually, but thank you for tuning in, and please let me know if you try any variation on this protein drink, or if you have any you would like me to try that you think are just as good. So please have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by the Velvet Lounge.